like you're in the desert out here, don't you?
Right? Are they playing in the cactus?
I know.
Playing California style.
I mean, our grass may be high.
Oh, wow. Sam's on the ground.
Or going, yeah, same kind of. Come on, Ian, get me off. Slide it here.
Good job.
Good luck to keep.
Yeah, he's got to be ready for those high bounces for sure.
And crazy bounces. If it's a patch of grass, you're going to go totally
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Keep going. That's it.
Spread, get wide, get wide.
I wore my lighter sunglasses. That's exactly what I was doing. I just took mine off.
Come on, blue to blue, blue to blue. Dang.
Well,
Sometimes you just might avoid some of them all.
well, it's Sunday and
Wednesday?
I mean, that's the real mall, so it's always busy. Come on, guys.
let it bounce in. Oh.
Hit.
There you go, Tanner. Come on, Ben. There you go, Robert. Get that. Somebody. I don't even know who I'm yelling at because I can't see through the screen. I'm just hoping.
Check fish. Hope you catch a good one.
I just see figures, and they told me it doesn't matter who the thing they want to see is formation. So I try and get most of our as many players as I can fit in a screen so that they can see the formation more than so I can't tell who's who.
Adjust to the dirt.
Good idea. Keep going.
These guys are
Come on, Robert,
like,
pressure!
this stuff, This is probably where they practice and everything.
I mean, this is the time of year they should have seeded it. They did anything.
Yeah, this is.
It's not going to get any better if it looks like this already. This is what it should look like in the fall.
Come on, guys.
Come on, win that! Come on. There you go.
Got time. Good ball.
Good job, Noah.
There it is, Robert!
Ball.
Oh!
Good try.
Got any pictures? I'm videoing right
About
now.
the only thing colorful out there.
At least you can see it.
Have they been playing with that the whole time?
No, it was orange a second ago.
Good foot. Go, Henry. Blue ball.
Go. Good ball. Good ball.
Get up, get up, get up.
That'd be a skinned up knee.
I know, yeah. Look at
He
the
tripped over
formation.
the onions or whatever it is out there.
You got it, Ian?
Cactus.
The tumbleweeds went up.
Ah, dang. Let's go, Blue, let's go.
Go, Sam.
That's it. Let's go.
Uh-oh, don't bounce it.
Roll it like.
Come on, Keller.
Yeah, he bounced it.
Oh, we're not off.
Oh my God, why is he?
Yeah!
Yeah, them defenders better get back and help out if he's going to come out like that.
That's it.
Take it all the way up, buddy. Take it all the way up. Nobody's in there.
Everybody, Trent. Oh. Go, Trent. Go, Trent.
Come on, guys.
Come on, get up.
There you go, boys. Good
Go, Chittum.
Gotta go to it. There you go, Dill.
Go, Robert. Don't get pushed. It's still in play. Come on, Dylan, cut him.
That's
Come on, where's Blue?
Pressure, pressure.
There you go, Becky. Way to go. You got Sam.
Go Ben, go Ben. Good job, Ben.
You got this, Robert.
Come on, somebody put it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Good idea.
I think so.
Dad, did you bring your camera?
You know, the studio is waiting for something.
Are you kidding? You missed school because of that? I didn't even see you back there, Hank.
Nice job, Alex.
I think you were here.
Cover, Sam. I get that a lot.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's good enough to ruin my day running them around the dog.
Come on.
Right, right.
That's it. Good ball, good ball.
Come on, Garrett.
Stay with it, Garrett.
There you go. There you go. Blue, nice job.
We'll at least know the real story.
Dad, where's your clicker for headers?
Let me get to it.
Come on, Blue. Go to the ball.
Oh, nice.
Overlap, Sam.
There you go.
There you go.
Nice hit. Wet by
Nice work, Blue.
Come on. Guys, you got to be up.
Yeah, we gotta get to our people.
Come on, Blue.
Watch it where it's coming down. Yeah, our
Great ball, Cameron. I didn't bring my umbrella out here.
That wasn't us.
Oh, that would be good.
Kind of odd for her to be shaking that at you, but whatever.
Yeah.
Is it supposed to rain?
Yeah, it's supposed to rain off and on all day today. No, this is a regular. We were gonna play them at home yesterday, and then us here. Go in, go, hustle. This thing.
Come on, Henry. Good. Almost.
Keep on the pressure, Blue.
Don't let it bounce.
I mean, we have an orthodontist at 3:45. Right there. Brownsboro Center.
I'll let you know.
Come on, guys. Watch the ball. Bounces.
I'll let you know.
Okay, yeah.
If somebody's gonna miss this,
Okay.
I think it's
Good job, Sam.
definitely enough.
The killer.
Come on, Keller. Run through it. It bounces.
Oh, wow.
Good,
Get
Cheddar.
away, Chinham.
Come on, Robert. You got this.
Put it. Boot it.
Yes. Get it in. Oh,
There you go.
Good, Henry.
Good.
Oh, nice work, Blue.
Good ball.
Her header.
I didn't know it was that.
Oh, it's a low ball.
Right.
I thought they'd made it.
Yeah. Really.
Get on him, Sam.
We're having a hard time like stopping them and stuff. I know.
You know their indoor shoot. Is anybody like? Good job, Robert.
Stay with it.
Nice job.
Go, Robert.
I don't know what you're thinking about in terms of. Did we bring 2 pairs of shoes?
We do. He's just too lazy to take him out of his bag. Let's go, Blue.
Nice to see him grow, actually. But
Yeah, like, but Robert's got long, thin feet, and Devin had big, wide feet, so their cleats don't go. Double team him! Double team him!
There you go.
There you go. Ooh,
Nice
sorry, that's a little
job.
crooked. Oh, come on. Oh, too
I
soft.
didn't he pass the boat length.
Come on, big passes, big passes.
Yeah. Talk.
Get it up. There it is, Chittum. Bring it down, Robert.
That's all right.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! It's humid.
Went to a lot of trouble. They splint on him. getting that classification as this guy does.
Yeah, I'm sure he does. The AR.
Come on, man, get out of there.
Good, Ben. Go out, Mom.
Our defense hasn't had to work too hard this game.
Good.
They're usually the ones always work the hardest, it seems like.
Yeah.
Finally, they don't have to. It's hard.
Yeah, you're right. This game's
Yeah.
kind of gave them a break. Actually.
Yeah. Which is probably nice for them.
Knock
for
on
a
wood. Don't
change.
don't say anything. Don't say that out loud yet. The game is nowhere near over.
I know, you're right.
Oh.
See?
Nice kick.
No, just bad luck.
I mean, they scored within 5 minutes.
I know, you're right. That's
Woo!
Up there.
Come on, Blue!
Come on, Blue, go to it, Chittum!
anticipate the bounce. There you go.
That's it.
Quit complaining. Just play ball.
Ugh.